M&S Shopping Plus credit card. Best for spreading the cost of large purchases. Representative APR. 21.9% variable. Interest-free period. 0% interest on purchases, for 22 months. 0% on balance transfers for 22 months, subject to 2.9% fee. Perks. Collect 1 point for every £1 you spend in M&S, and for every £5 with other retailers. Combine with your M&S Sparks card to earn more rewards. Annual fee. £0. Why you like it? It offers one of the longest interest-free periods and, unlike its rivals, this is guaranteed rather than subject to status. It also has a slightly lower APR after the interest-free period, as well as allowing you to earn points as you spend.